Hello children, today we will be knowing one new topic that is definitely it is in your English grammar book, but we will have to open page number 45 in your James English Reader book. Festivals are fun. Why we are going to discuss this? Because in your chapter Festivals are fun, there are this topic, these and those. Okay. Although we have discussed this in our class, but we should know elaborately now. So we have known already singular and plural. That we have learned that what is singular and what is plural. If there is only one thing, one person, single thing, that is singular. For example, book. Book means only one thing, that is singular. But if I write books, B-O-O-K-S, books, then what is that? Definitely this is plural. So singular and plural. Book is our friend. Okay? One book is our friend, or you can say book is on the table, or you can write book is on the table. But here, if you are going to repeat the same sentence for the plural one, books are on the table. On the table. Now, why are you using is and are? That I have told already, but I am repeating it once again. Book is singular, that's why we are using is. And books, this word is plural, that's why we are using are. We are using are. Okay, so book is and books are. Similarly, we are using this for singular thing. Suppose this is one cup. I am drawing the picture. Okay, suppose think this is one cup. Okay, this is one cup. So what will you say? That this is a cup, right? But if there are two cups, suppose there are two cups in the picture, then what will you write? You will have to make it plural, no? Then you have to write the same sentence like this. These, T-H-E-S-E. If the things are plural, you cannot indicate the thing by saying this. This is for singular thing. But these, the word these is for plural thing. So these are cups. Okay? So everything is plural. This is plural. Are is also used with plural words, and cups is also the plural of cup. So like this, when there is more than one thing, we cannot say this, T-H-I-S. We cannot say like this. Okay? We will not say T-H-I-S. Rather, we will have to say T-H-E-S-E. These. Okay? Similarly, suppose think I am drawing one butterfly right now. Okay? This is one picture of a butterfly. Okay? Now, I am writing it. That is a butterfly. That is a butterfly. But if I draw one more butterfly, then you have to write the entire sentence in plural. Then what will you write? You have to write those are butterflies. Just look at this. I have not only made this word plural, but I have made the word that into plural. So if we want to write the word that into plural, then it will be those, and the word this will be in plural, these. Okay, so now I am giving you one list. Okay, suppose I am writing few words: cup, cup, flower, flower, then book, book. Similarly, I am writing this, this, that, that. Now, assume that these words are singular. Now, I want to write the plural forms of these words also. So, cup, cup, sorry students. So, cup, so it will be cups, cups, flowers, flowers, books, books. Similarly, the plural form of this will be these, these, and plural form of that is those. So like this, I have written so many singular and plural words by mentioning these and those, and you have to identify where you have to write this and where you have to write those. Okay, students? So I will send the picture of my copy in your WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.